How to uninstall Vencord from browser. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain how to completely uninstall Vencord from your browser if you added it as a user script or extension. So stay tuned till the end and let's get into it. Vencord is often installed in browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox using extensions such as TamperMonkey or through manual script injections. To remove it, start by identifying how it was installed. If you use an extension manager like TamperMonkey or ViolinMonkey, open your extensions dashboard and remove the script associated with Vencord from the script list. Next, remove the actual extension from your browser entirely if you no longer need it. This step ensures no leftover scripts are loaded in the background. If your browser syncs extensions across devices, disable sync temporarily to prevent Vencord from reinstalling itself on restart. Once you've done all that, restart your browser. Vencord should now be completely removed from your system. That's all for the video. If you like this one, then make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.